Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandeep and I create handmade beaded jewelries and accessories for my small business. So in this video, we're going to be having a look at how well Etsy ads have been performing for me, okay? So about a week ago, I joined Etsy ads for the first time and I wanted to, gain more traffic onto my shop, my store, and I wanted to see how well it's doing and I wanted to share that with you. So in the previous video to this one, we did sign up to Etsy ads and I did say that I will come back in a week's time and tell you how well it's doing. So here we are and I am going to show you how well it's done, or if it's not doing well, we'll find out. I know it's still a week and it's pretty early on, but it's still good to just know what's going on at this time. If you would like to watch the previous video to this, I will link it in the description box below so you can see how you can start your Etsy ads yourself and how you can sign up to it yourself, because I do go through the step by step, and hopefully that will be helpful for you if you are choosing to do Etsy ads. Now let's jump in. So let me get my notebook and I will put up a video or like pictures or something up here to just show you what has been going on and stuff, okay? Like give you the whole insight of that. Okay, I hope I'm not too close to the mic. I'm worried. I hope I'm not too close. Okay, I'm just gonna have to go with it and hope for the best. Views are just when Etsy sort of promotes your items, right? Where they put it onto the search page. When people are searching for a particular item, they will show yours on that page, right? So that's what views mean. And clicks are when someone actually clicks on your item, your product. That is when obviously Etsy then takes money deducted from however much you are willing to be paying every day for Etsy ads. So I only pay £1 or $1, but it's US dollar, but obviously that's less than £1 for me. But yeah, so that's how much I pay every day. So they obviously just take out money from that as soon as I get a click. So we started our Etsy ads on November the 12th, okay? So that I think was a Monday. So on that Monday, it did pretty well because I think we started the Etsy ads maybe like midday, I think, like probably around like 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon. And it reached 217 views, okay? And I got 1 or 2 clicks. Then on the 13th of November, there was a slight dip. So we had 124 views and 1 or 2 clicks, but no orders. Then on the 14th, I had 105 views, so slightly dipped again, but I got an order. So I got 1 click and I got an order, which I was really, really happy about. So it was a phone charm, so that did pretty well. And it's really funny because I've heard people say this a lot, like other small businesses say this a lot that use Etsy, but it's crazy how the things that, or the items, products that you think are going to do really well, right? And you're like, oh, I know this is like amazing, this is going to do really well. Those are the ones that don't even do that great. And it's the ones that you hardly maybe put time into, thought into. I mean, I wouldn't say time, you put time into everything, but like thought into, right? Like you didn't really think they're going to do well, or it was just something that was just spontaneous and you thought, oh, I'm just going to make this, hopefully, like, I'm going to sell this and hope for the best. Like you didn't put much thought, but yet it's one of the best products. Do you know what I mean? Like, and always doing so well. So yeah, it's always the ones that you don't think are going to do that well that end up doing the best. But yeah, so as I was saying, the 14th did well. We got 1 order. And then on November the 15th, I got 307 views. On the 16th of November, this was the highest views I got. So we got 387 views, 1 or 2 clicks again. So that was pretty high, right? But then on November the 17th, I got 47 views. And then on the 18th, I got 82 views, which is currently the day that I'm recording. So currently we have 82 views today. Better than yesterday, because yesterday 47 out of throughout the whole day. I don't know what happened there, but anyways, we've got like 1 or 2 clicks today so far as well. So altogether I have 1,269 views, 16 clicks, and I've made 1 order. Altogether I've spent so far £4.50 on these ads. So there are like 3 or 4 items that are doing really well and getting a lot more views and clicks. So the one with the most views and clicks is my beaded phone charm, and that's the order as well. I got an order for that as well. And then it's the keyring, personalized keyring, which I've got like 3 clicks for, and it's got like 213 views. And the phone charm, sorry, has 468 views and has 9 clicks and then 1 order. And then there's another phone charm that's got 163 views and 1 click. And then there's another one as well, another phone charm. I think this is the mushroom one, and that also has about 120 something, I think, views and 1 click, I think, as well. And then the beaded bracelets, I thought they would do really well. They haven't got much view, and they've only got that 1 or 2 clicks as well. So I don't know what to say right now. I've got me 1 order, so I'm very, very, very grateful for that. But I don't know how well we're doing right now. I mean, I think we should give it at least a month, right? And then after the month is when I'll start making some changes. Like we'll like make changes either to the description or the title or the tags or the pictures, or like we'll see what Etsy is categorizing the products on, like what are they putting them into, you know what I mean? Like sometimes they end up putting them into categories or like certain tags and listings that are not relatable. So when people are searching, the wrong people are basically finding your items, which clearly they're not going to click on. Do you know what I mean? So we can check all that out, but I think I'm going to give it a month before I start adding and tweaking and whatnot, right? So that is the current update for now. And yeah, let me know what you guys think, if you have started Etsy ads or if you have done Etsy ads in the past, or you know how it's going for you and whatnot. But I thought it would be nice to just share this with you and, you know, just show you what it's like for someone that's new. Do you know what I mean? I've not ever needed to do Etsy ads because before I was doing physical, I mean, I still have physical product, I mean, not physical, digital products on my Etsy store, right? But with digital, it doesn't matter who's buying it, purchasing it, like in the sense that I was open to doing it worldwide, and it still is worldwide. But when it comes to physical products, I've selected only UK. And that's where I think the challenges have come in, because people that have bought my digital products are mostly like US based or worldwide and whatnot. So if I've got customers that are from those particular countries that are going onto my Etsy store, then I'm not making any sales. Sometimes I'm getting views, like I can see I'm getting views without the Etsy ads I'm talking about, but in general I'm getting views and I'm getting people visiting the store and whatnot, but I'm not getting no orders. And I'm thinking, could it be that reason that people are coming from a different country and whatnot? So let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed we get more sales and we get more orders coming in. Now I'm going to add in a clip for you of me making my first order. I know we had an order previously, but that was from someone that's very close to me. This order is actually from someone that I don't know. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, this is like a proper customer. And I also got another order as well that was from family and friends, and you know, just letting their friends and family and co-workers know. And I also got another order from that. So I got 2 orders. So that's what I'm going to be packing, and I'm going to show you the whole process of me packing and whatnot. So I hope you enjoy that. So I do hope that this video has helped you in some sort of way. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Do consider subscribing if you haven't already. And I will see you guys very soon. Take care. Bye.